Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the remote. Insert 2 fresh AAA batteries and make sure the device you want to control is on. Next, place the remote within 3 feet of the device. This reduces signal interference during programming. Once done, decide whether you'll enter a brand code from the manual or use auto search. Codes speed the process, but auto search finds the correct code without knowing the brand. Keep the device on so you can observe. You now program the remote. For code entry, press and hold setup until the LED stays on, then type the 3 or 4-digit code for your brand. The LED will blink to confirm. If you don't have a code, use auto search. Hold setup, select the device key, TV, DVD, etc. Then repeatedly press the play or power button. Stop when the device turns off or reacts. Make sure to test power and volume right away to verify full control. Finish by saving the code. Either press setup again or wait for the LED to turn off. Then test multiple functions like volume, channel, and menu. If something doesn't work, try a different code from the list or run auto search again. Sometimes one code handles power, another handles volume. Make sure the remote is in the correct device mode and that nothing blocks the infrared path. If all else fails, remove batteries for 30 seconds and retry. This resets simple glitches and often fixes stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.